I'd say give this a try. It seemed to work out pretty well. I would definitely recommend, for the price, if it helps you sleep some, if it helps your partner sleep, I'd say go for it.